first things first, you want to be emotionally attached, and that flies in the wind against the face of regular business conventions. But for me, being emotionally attached, I guess this is just semantics, it means that you are emotionally enrolled in your customers and their outcome. And I think that's a good thing, because by being emotionally attached to your customers and to your product, you will spend more time understanding who your customers are and how to help them solve their biggest problems that they're trying to solve by buying your product. I will tell you, and we see this quite a lot, sometimes when folks get a product discovery session with one of our coaches, the person who is getting the coaching session will say, I don't care what I sell, I just want to make money. Now, I will tell you that that is, without a doubt, a recipe for failure on Amazon. That is going to fail every single time, because you are not at all invested in your customers, you're invested in yourself. And that ain't going to work, I'm afraid to tell you, because your customers don't give a rat's ass about you. They only care about them. And so you have to care about them too. So the more you understand your customers, the better. So, Tony, I know I'm kind of going in a roundabout way for this, but hear me out. So the more you are emotionally attached, I believe, the better. Now, what about categories where are outside your comfort zones? Well, Pippa McCreary, one of our great Amazon coaches, talks about this a lot. Very, very smart woman when it comes to marketing products. And one of the things she says is it's very, very hard for guys to sell baby products, because we just cannot empathize with what it's really like to bring a baby into the world from a mother's perspective. We just don't get it in the same way that a mother would get it, for instance. Now, companies spend billions of dollars trying to figure that sort of shit out, when really all they actually need to do is ask a mum or a group of mums what it's like, and the group of mums will tell them, and if they listen, they'll tell them exactly what they need to make sales. So the danger of selling outside your comfort zone is you try and sell something that's going to be very, very difficult for you to understand from the customer's point of view. That's the main danger of that. And the best way to overcome that danger is not to try and be emotionally detached, but to become emotionally invested in it instead. So it's the exact opposite of what most folks would tell you. I think is that it's a much better thing to try and become emotionally invested and really understand from the customer's point of view what they're after.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.